Meet the Nexgrill 3-burner propane gas grill, the mid-size grill that creates big-time flavor. With a heavy-duty stainless steel lid, this Nexgrill is built to retain heat exceptionally well. Plus, 3 stainless steel main burners each carry a 5-year limited warranty, ensuring long-lasting grill performance for seasons to come. When it's time to cook, up to 27,000 total BTUs of grilling energy means quick, controlled heating, while a roomy cooking area offers plenty of space to grill for small and medium-sized groups. To the left and right of the firebox, handy side shelves offer extra space for prepping, storing, and serving food. Under the hood, porcelain wire cooking grids heat quickly, transfer heat reliably, and clean with ease. Plus, an upper-level warming rack keeps food nice and toasty. Beneath the cooking surface, black porcelain enamel flame tamers dispense heat, help prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings to smoky flavor. And when it's time to clean up, a convenient pull-out grease box keeps things simple. Plus, 2 durable wheels make it easy to move your grill in and out of storage. Looking for a grill that brings the heat without taking up too much space? We've got your Nexgrill right here. The Nexgrill 3-burner propane gas grill with side shelf.